everybody. So plan for today, day 3 of Vlog in London, is actually a bit simpler. Is go for lunch with a different friend, this time with Alex Kenz Mackenzie. I've called him Kenz all my life. I say all my life, I've only known him since 2006. But God, that is 10 years. That's 10 years I've known Kenz. If you're watching this after this today, I've known you for 10 years. And I didn't know what his first name was for a little while, because it was just easier to call him Kenz. But yeah, going for lunch with him today near Tower Hill. And then coming back here, actually, probably doing some writing. Because tomorrow, big day tomorrow, is Jumping the Barriers Day. So to put it in context, the reason I'm actually down here this week is me and some friends who I train to act with have written a play called Jumping the Barriers, which is all about a homeless man who meets a graduate on a train and they have a conversation. Yeah, proper big thriller it is. Well, that's bitter. Coffee. And yeah, so tomorrow we're getting all the actors together. I say all 5. And we're going to go through it. And there's some of these people, I am really excited because some of these people I haven't seen since our showcase, which was back in September 2014. So some of these people I haven't seen for quite a long time. I'm very much excited. So today, yeah, it's just about honing the script and making sure it's all okay. And yeah, but before that, going for lunch with Alex.
So just had lunch with Alex, very brief in the end because I went to the wrong pret-a-manger. He said there's a pret-a-manger in Starbucks near the tower. I went to the other pret-a-manger in Starbucks near the tower. But apart from that, yeah, very nice, good to see him. I'm not a big fan of Pret's coffee, so I'm having an Earl Grey tea instead. Which, you know, is what it is. Don't have it with milk, naughty people who have it with milk. But yeah, it was good to see him.
Might go and have a little look around the tower, not actually around the tower itself, because it's very expensive, but I haven't really been around the tower that much. Which, it being one of London's major tourist attractions, I probably should have done. But yeah, might have a little bit of a stroll and a wander. I was about to say wool and a stroller. Good job I didn't do that, but maybe looked good. So yeah, and then gonna head back to Stratford, do some writing. Etc. And yeah, gonna enjoy my Earl Grey tea now without milk.
There it is, Tower of London itself. UNESCO World Heritage Site, I've just found out. Wasn't actually built as a prison, it was actually built as a palace. I know I'm sounding a little bit like a tour guide right now, but you know, these things are interesting. I think anyway. Last person to be executed there was in 1941. German spy. So yeah. That's it. Seagull. Okay, back at Paul's flat and having yet another Asian lunch. So I've got some chicken katsu. Sharon's got that. Yeah. Some seafood thing. But also, Sharon's got tofu. Now, I've had tofu twice. And once I really liked it and once I hated it. So this is going to be this is where we're going to see if it's actually good or not. We've also got some very nice iced tea. So Sharon, you can film my reaction. What is this sauce I'm eating as well?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki sauce, okay, that's how it tastes. That's quite nice. I mean, the teriyaki sauce is the majority of the flavour, but... Oh, that's good. Okay, I officially like tofu. There's nothing not to like about it, really. Okay. I officially like tofu. End of.
So Sharon's gone now. After lunch, she's gone back to be with her parents. I'm going to do a bit of writing this afternoon. It's actually, of all the places I've sat to write, and in Liverpool I've written in Leaf a lot, and I've written at home, on trains, all sorts of places. This, to be fair, has got to be one of the best places to just sit and write with that kind of view. I don't know how well you can see that. I know I'm going on about this view a little bit since I've been here. From Paul's flat, but it is just amazing. I'm going to do some more yoga later, and there is nothing more relaxing than doing yoga in a nice place. Usually at home I just end up having to do it in the lounge or somebody's office or something. But really nice place to just sit and be and relax. Got me coffee. Can't write without coffee. It's actually a law. I know a lot of people try and say, oh, it's fine writing without coffee. No, it's actually not allowed. It's actually one of the rules of writing. Have to write with coffee. So yeah, so that's the plan for this afternoon, and then I'm going to cook some pasta, and then me and Paul are going to go and explore Stratford, because since he's lived here, he hasn't actually been to Stratford. Been into Westfield, but not to Stratford itself, so we're going to go and explore some Stratford pubs after pasta. Okay, the other thing I've been doing with my time, I've been planning stuff out, but also, when I was on this amazing balcony looking over and opened the window, it suddenly occurred to me, what would I do, or how would it go, more importantly, if I threw a paper aeroplane out the window? Been spending a good 5 minutes on this bad boy. So let's see what happens. Are we ready, world? Well, that's quite brilliant. It didn't physically make it away from the balcony. And it's stuck there now, because obviously I can't reach out there and get that. So, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, or from a scale of 1 to epic failure, in terms of a paper aeroplane, yeah, I'm right up there. That actually didn't physically make it away from the balcony. Not, in fact, has it come in, though. It is stuck there. So I aimed for London and missed, and got to the balcony. Wow, as failures go for paper aeroplanes, there's not really a lot more to be said about that, is there? So, just happily going through the script for tomorrow. I'm really, really excited. But more excitingly, this has just come on. Human by The Killers on Spotify's Throwback Thursday playlist. This is pure nostalgia to me. It's just... I apologise if I start singing. Although the lyrics make no sense if you listen. Are we human? Or are we dancer? Or are we dancer? Those are the correct lyrics. Oh no, this says are we dancer? I've been singing Are We Dancer for years and not making any sense. That says Are We Dancer? World blown. I've just been going through all the jumping the barriers, and I've just finished highlighting all of my lines. Let's see if I've got a lot to learn. So, not too much then, just on stage for nearly 40 minutes. So, just about to do some yoga now, and again, what a place, and what a view. Look at that skyline. Yeah, just about to do yoga, and do a little bit of core work, and then going to cook some ragu for dinner. Yeah, exercise is all done now, and I'm just cooking dinner for me and Paul, which is ragu. So in there we've got chopped tomatoes, mince, bacon, garlic, carrots, mushrooms, and a bit of nutmeg. So that's bubbling away nicely and nearly burning me. And I'm just going to get the pasta on. I'm not sure we've got enough pasta here. Paul's got lots of pasta. Perfect amount for me and Paul, to be honest. I have eaten more than that pasta. So me and Paul have come to the pub. Beer's nearly finished, as you can see. We might be moving on shortly, simply because we've just realised that it's open mic night. Safe to say that it's not the most popular of open mic nights. What does Paul think about this? Yeah, so we're going to finish and go probably.
place, and we are now in Wetherspoons in Stratford, so we can actually hear each other. I've gone for a London Pride, because I'm proud to be in London. Paul's gone for a punk IPA, of which he is a fan, I assume.
Yeah, well, it's good beer.
It's good beer. And yeah, apparently, according to Nicole, my little legs have got me back from the toilet. This is quite rich coming from somebody who is, I think, 4'11". Is that how tall Nicole is? Something like that. But yeah, to put that in context, rather than just randomly messaging somebody in the middle of a vlog, I went to the toilet. Paul took my phone.
A shout out. It's like shout out.
A shout out to Nicole Martin. Yeah, there we go. She'll appreciate that. But yeah, so we're here now having a few beers, and that's basically the plan bit for tonight. An IPA and a London Pride.
Got a message from Nicole as well.
I have a message from Nicole, which I'm about to read. Me and Paul may have had many beers. We're finding the fact that something is called the Wetherspoon News as slightly amusing, partly because it's called the Wetherspoon News, but secondly because it's quite a thick establishment, but also it's not actually an establishment. I don't know why I said that word, but also listen to these pubs. It shows something about Milton Keynes as a place, because Worcester called the Crown, Rochester the Golden Lion, Helps something wherever that is called the Bear, Market Harbour the Sugarloaf, Milton Keynes, Wetherspoons. It doesn't have a name, it's just called Wetherspoons. I'm sorry, we found that amusing, and I'd like to share that with the world. Me and Paul are back now after having a rather large amount of beers, and Paul is doing the arduous job of pastoring to Tupperware. Very middle class job. Middle class is the best class. So yeah, that is all of Thursday, and tomorrow, very excited for tomorrow. Going to meet up with Adam, Deborah, Nadia and Mike for Jumping the Barriers rehearsal. So that's the play, and me and some other people have written. Very, very excited about it. But yeah, I'll post this tomorrow once I've edited it. As you can hear from the way I've edited, I've had a rather large amount of alcohol. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like on Facebook, give it a thumbs up on YouTube, or just share it, like it. If you don't like it, quite frankly, keep your opinions to yourself. They're not wanted. We don't like negativity around here. I'm going to go to sleep now, and good night. Say good night, Paul.